So we will go to Fesleğen. Oh, police is coming. Wait, they look so good.
Oh, police. Okay.
Yeah. Police look so nice with these big suits. Good morning from Ireland. Very nice to see you. David says, would love to be there, and the changes are fantastic. Yeah. And yes, it is one way for cars right now. So someone is asking if it's one way.
Yeah, one way.
And yes, it is one way. As you see, cars are coming from both sides.
They changed it this winter.
Yeah, and they kept the changes. We thought that they'll get disappointed and change back, but they never did.
It's gonna stay like that.
It will stay like this. It worked out. So now, if you want to go back to Marina, it will go like with the. You will still get a dolmuş here, but then it will go around. So it's a little bit confusing when you come back and you are used to a certain dolmuş minibus route. You'll have to figure it all out again. But as you see, the D is where you will wait for the bus. So either you are going to the Marina side, or you are going to Ladies Beach. In both cases, you will stand here on the same side of the road by the D, and get the bus here. And then you can, once the bus driver stops, then you can ask, you're going Ladies Beach, you're going hospital, you're going to Ramada, you know, you ask, and then they will say yes or no, depending on the station. And here we are gonna turn and go to my favorite restaurant, which is called Fesleğen. That one right here. And it's like the best homemade food. The best homemade food in there. I really like it. And I think I'm gonna have my lunch there today. Let me try it out. And usually if you are a vegetarian or you really like vegetable dishes, this is a very, very nice place to come. So now imagine you just came from downtown and you come, it's very, very nice and affordable place. So it's not expensive at all. And the food is homemade Turkish food. So this is a nice place. Merhaba, kolay gelsin. This is a really nice place. This is the owner. She's a very sweet lady. And here we have... Wow.
Ispanak, spinach.
This is spinach dish. Wow, very nice. What about this?
Mersin kızartma,
O ne?
ıspanak,
There's also spinach
Another
different way.
spinach different dish.
kabak,
There's zucchini with potato.
Zucchini with
How
potato.
is zucchini?
Zucchini only. There is some pasta here.
fesleğen soslu, ekşili köfte,
Lemon meatballs.
Meatballs.
Lemon juice
Very
inside
nice.
too.
So there are some meat dishes.
The İzmir köfte.
mantı,
This is the famous
Yeah.
mantı. Yeah, if you like ravioli.
nohut,
Chickpeas.
The chickpeas. You know, those are amazing for
Eggplant.
healthy.
Eggplant with beef.
Eggplant with beef. That's great. Some rice as well.
Rice. Chicken.
And the
pork
chicken,
rice,
the chicken
and
purun.
barley.
bulgur,
And barley. Oh, very nice.
And soup.
yaylı çorba.
Oh, this vegetarian rice and then yogurt soup.
Oh, that's
meat.
very nice.
Kelle bıçağı,
This meat soup.
Oh, and the meat soup.
Very nice.
mercimek.
And then mercimek
Oh,
soup
yeah,
as well.
mercimek.
That's my favorite. Yeah. That's very nice. I will come back to order, okay? We'll come
Okay.
back to eat. Bye bye, take care.
Kahvaltı
Kolay gelsin. So usually when we eat right here. Okay.
There is one more here. Come.
So we usually sit at this table and we eat here. Merhabalar. And it's really nice. You will feel very local, like you're just sitting and like you live here all the time. And for the food you will pay approximately, let's say 25 lira. So that divided by 8, you get euros. So how much is that? Like 2-3 euros to eat. And to eat like a nice dish, you know, rice and some beans and on the side something and a tea. Like the full meal for lunch. About 25 lira or 30 lira maybe maximum. So the price is really good for homemade Turkish food. So organic, so nice. All the vegetables are local and organic. So it's great.